Multi-step linear inequalities. Okay, so we have the following problem. We have the 4x plus 4, uh, and then we have the inequality sign, then we have the 9x plus 8. So we're going to say 4x plus 4, then our inequality sign, then our 9x plus 8. We're going to go ahead and use BCD. And you also got to remember that if the letter is negative and you're going to divide with a negative letter, you got to turn your sign the other direction. So let's circle the letters, box the numbers, circle the letters, box the numbers. So the 4 and the 8, 4 is the smallest, we're going to move that. So we're going to subtract by 4, cross this out, so this gives me 4x, then our inequality sign, 9x plus 4. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to code the problem, so I'm going to circle, circle, and box. So now I'm going to subtract off the negative 9x, so we're going to move the 9x, it's got to become a negative 9x. So we cross this out, this leaves me with the 4, and this becomes a negative 5x. And remember, this is a 4, so let me write this better so it doesn't come off as a 9. So let's make sure that this is a 4. So now we're going to divide both sides by a negative 5. So I cross this out, this is x. Since the letter's negative, I must turn my sign the other direction. So I got 4 over a negative 5. But you got to remember, when you type in this answer here, it's going to be the negative sign has to be brought to the top. So we have the 4, so normally we'd go 4/5, but with Khan Academy you got to bring that negative sign up to the top. So bring it from the denominator to the numerator, and then just put the positive 5 below it. So my answer is a negative 4/5. Now let me go ahead and also put in the front part of it too. So I need to put the complete inequality, just not the number answer. So we're going to have x, and we're going to use this sign here. So we have that x is better than negative 4 over 5. So x is better than negative 4 over 5. Let's go to the next question. Again, we're going to use BCD. So I'm going to say 12t minus 2, inequality sign, negative 5t plus 36. So let's code the problem. Let's circle, let's box, let's circle, let's box. So the minus 2 is smaller, so you have a minus 2 and the 36. The minus 2 is smaller, so we're going to add 2. Cross this out, this is 12t, inequality sign, negative 5t, this becomes 38. Okay, now I want to code the problem, so I want to circle my letters, and then I want to box my numbers. So I want to add 5t to both sides. So this becomes 17t. We have the inequality sign, and then we have 38. So notice we have one circle and one box. So now we're going to divide by positive 17, so the signs do not change. So we have t, and then we have 38 over 17. So I'm going to go letter T, then my inequality signs, and then my fraction, and I'm going to say 38 over 17. So let's check that. Okay, next question. I have negative 65 y plus 19 inequality sign, negative 2y plus 41. B, C, D. Circle my letters, box my numbers, circle my letters, box my numbers. Okay, between, let's see, we have 19 and 41. 19 is the smallest, so we're going to subtract. So we cross this out. We have negative 65y, inequality sign, negative 2y. Okay, well that's going to come out to be, let's see, 22. So this is a plus 22. Circle your letters and box your numbers. So we're going to add 2y to both sides. So now this has become a negative 63. Y, inequality sign, cross this out, and this gives me 22. What I'm going, actually let me circle this. So we're going to circle and we're going to box. So I have one circle and one box. So I'm going to divide by this negative 63. Cross this out. There's my y. Since the letter's negative, turn your sign the other way. So you're going to have 22 over negative 63. Now remember with Khan Academy, you have to bring the negative sign up to the top. So you need to bring the negative sign up to the top to the numerator. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in a y. Make sure you use the right letter, so it's a y. We're going to turn the sign the other direction because it's divided by a negative 63. Now we're going to make our fraction. We're going to bring the negative sign to the top, so it's a negative 22 over 63. Okay, next question. We got negative 48. T plus 2, inequality signs, negative 71t plus 14. So what we're going to do is BCD. Circle our letters, box our numbers. Circle our letters, box our numbers. Okay, so now we got 2 and 14. You realize 2 is the smallest, so we're going to subtract 2. So every box will get a minus 2. So we'll cross this out. We have a negative 48t, inequality sign, negative 71t plus 12. Circle your letters, box your numbers. So now we're going to add 71t, so each circle gets a plus 71. So this is going to turn into 23. So this would actually be a plus 23 for this one. So we'll say 23t, inequality sign, this and this will cancel out, and this will give you 12. So notice we have one circle and one box. We divide by 23. So we have t, our inequality sign, and then 12 over 23. So we're going to type in t, so we'll put in the letter t, followed by our inequality sign, followed by the fraction key. Now there's no negative to worry about, so just go 12 on top and then go 23 on the bottom.